How's everyone? So today I Jazzy continue with 15 days 15 video challenge, and today it is the fourth video of this challenge. So today I will be sharing something really amazing. What is it? What is it? It is secret to success. Topic number 4, secret to success. आपको पता है secret to success क्या है? Before that, who wants to be successful? You? मेरे को भी बनना है यार. So I will share today what is secret to success. Secret to success is failure plus hustle. Yes, these two elements help you to reach success. You know, since childhood we go on reading stories about failure is stepping stones to success. Yes, it is. Failure teaches you what not to do, how to understand where you're going wrong, what are the loopholes in your plan or a particular project which you're handling. Why are you failing? It helps you to understand all these things. What is your weakness? What you should not do. Failure is actually helping you to grow. So take failure sportively and move on in life. I fail each and every day. I get up every morning and send my resume to 10 companies and I fail. I get rejected at the end of the day. But I will be continuing this. I will keep on trying because I know one day I will reach success. One day I will improve, and one day that company will accept me. So this is about failure. Okay, people actually read lot of success stories. So many successful people out there, like billionaires, Bill Gates, Elon Musk, but no one knows anything about failures. The biggest failure that I've read about is the failure of a person known as, or the person who is very unsuccessful, is Mr. Anil Ambani. He is such a brilliant person. His mind behind Reliance Network is like, it's amazing, but he couldn't be successful because his planning went wrong. So by that you understand what you need to put, what struggle you need to put there, what planning you need to put there to become successful. After that is hustle. If you're not struggling, you're not understanding what you have to do. Failure teaches you what not to do, and struggle teaches you what to do and how to do it. So struggle or hustle is really important. हर एक दिन अपन को ट्राई करना है. If you're failing and you're sitting back, nothing is gonna happen. Struggle करना है. Success is rented, and people like Bill Gates, Elon Musk, or any other billionaires out there, they hustle daily, they explore daily, they understand the new concepts because they know success is rented. You have to pay rent, and that rent is failure and hustle. So they are doing all this continuously, and today you know how successful they are. So I hope you got to know what is the secret behind success. That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe this video, and comment and tell me how it was. Your feedback is really valuable for me. So I always say, stay raw, stay motivated. Bye bye.